Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an OXPS file into a JPEG image. First, open your web browser and go to the website convertfiles.com. This is a free online conversion tool that supports many different file types. Once the site has loaded, you will see an option that says Choose a local file. Click on that button and browse your computer to find the OXPS file you want to convert. Select the file and then click Open. The file name will now appear on the website, showing that it has been uploaded. Next, look for the section labeled Convert to. This is where you choose the type of file you want to convert your OXP into. From the drop-down menu, scroll until you find the JPEG image and select it. Now you are ready to start the conversion. Click on the button that says Convert Now. The website will process your OXP file and turn it into a JPEG image. This may take a few seconds depending on the size of your file. Once the conversion is complete, the site will provide you with a download link. Click the link to save the JPEG file to your computer. That is all you need to do to convert an OXP file into a JPEG. Thanks for watching.